Hi guys, I'm Mia, trainer from AiHouse. Today, we'll learn how to one-click export cabinets from AiHouse to SketchUp. Now, let's take a look at the specific operations. Open SketchUp and launch any template. Now we go to the AiHouse design interface. Drag out to cabinets in the custom wardrobe module and assemble them together. Find the export button on the top white toolbar. Click SketchUp. After it shows Push to SketchUp, switch back to SketchUp. The two cabinets are exported successfully. Create a new template. Drag and place another wardrobe. Click Export, then select SketchUp. Wait for the notification to pop up. Return to SketchUp. You can see all cabinets are exported. We can also export just to cabinets from many. Hold the Ctrl key and drag to select these two cabinets. Click Export SketchUp. Wait for the notification. Back to SketchUp. The selected cabinets are exported successfully. Lastly, we can export only one single cabinet. Left-click to select the single cabinet. Click Export SketchUp. OK, check in SketchUp. The single selected cabinet is exported. And all fittings inside the cabinet will also be exported. This is all about one-click cabinet export to SketchUp. Thanks for watching.